Why don't you guys go in?
When Declan came down to the basement, he opened up his eyes, he was smiling, he was happy.
You see, bud? You see, you're happy?
Oh, look how beautiful! You're not supposed to make me cry.
I have no words. The comfort of being able to roll up to a sink and wash my hands or rinse my mouth or wash my face.
Nye was 3 years old when we learned about his developmental issues. I remember it like it is right now. I went to a doctor, he was tested, and the doctor said, Nye has autism. And I remember walking through the street, and it was so crowded and busy, and all I could hear was nothing. But I could see like everybody walking, I could see the cars, and I remember pushing the stroller, and I'm like, I don't know what this is, but whatever it is, we're gonna get through this together.
Raising a child with autism comes with its own set of unique challenges, and this family always rises to the occasion. But what he could really use is a sensory room. It's a place that can stimulate him with light and touch and feel. What's up, guys? Welcome home. Good to see ya. How you doing, big guy? Nye?
All right.
You good? So you guys want to see what we do with your basement?
Yes.
All right, follow me.
All right.
Go. Let's go. Whoa! Great.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I didn't see the bathroom.
You want to see that bathroom?
Oh gosh, this is like amazing. Oh my goodness, I can use the bathroom now. I love the bathroom. I love the bathroom. Before we had an outhouse, and now we have an actual bathroom with a sink. This is so, we could have never done this. Could have never done this. This is beautiful.
I think it touches every part of our family. I mean, you guys somehow got a piece of Robbie, myself, and Nye.
And
Evan. That's the most touching part, I think, of the whole experience.
It is.
Now, Herman was hands-on. He was a DIY master, but unfortunately, when he passed, he left behind a lot of unfinished projects. You want to go see the bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, you ready?
No way. Oh my God. This is
That's wait, whoa.
mind-blowing. Oh my God!
Oh, that looks so good.
Look at the guitar.
That looks so good there.
The windows, there's more windows.
There's more windows.
I was wondering, when are they going to do
There's so much light in here.
Mom.
Oh, look at the side tables. Oh, look how beautiful. You're not supposed to make me cry. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's so amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is just incredible, George. I can't, I have no words. I have no words.
For the cherry on top, what was left is basically a glorified storage room. Shall we go and check it out? There's a door. There's a door.
You guys are killing me. You go, oh my God.
What?
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 Oh, look at this. Oh my God. I can't stand it. Oh, my baby. Oh, look at that.
You know what that's just for?
What is this?
You have heated floors. Yeah,
Stop it!
Talk about not having cold toes
Stop
anymore.
it right now.
Yeah.
Are you kidding? How do you get in this thing?
Just roll it. Dennis Cosgrove is a former Marine, a New York Police Department detective. The man has served his country and now serves his community. Megan Cosgrove is Dennis's wife, who unfortunately passed away during childbirth and has left Dennis to raise their son Declan on his own.
After Megan passed, I
I had a hard time being in the house, and it's still very hard to be in the house. You know, you turn a corner and you think of a time where the two of you bumped into each other, or just you picture her walking down the stairs. I did want to move initially, but then you start to think and you want to stay the course that you had set up as far as what you were going to do as a family, and I have to do it because it was what she wanted, it was what we wanted, and I just try and continue that way.
Dennis, Declan family, welcome back.
Hi, how are you, George?
I'm doing great. Good to see you, bud. How you doing? Follow me. Head on down.
Oh, really unbelievable. Look at this, bud. Ooh, a little television. Oh,
Wow,
God.
look at this, huh?
When we used to walk down the stairs, it was just a dungy, cold, dirty basement. Now it feels like you can hang out down here. It's very warm.
Oh, that's awesome!
When Declan came down to the basement, he opened up his eyes, he was smiling, he was happy.
You see, bud? You see, you happy? The most amazing thing about the basement, I think, was when coming down and seeing the house that was built for him inside of the basement, I think is incredible. It's like his own little space within his space. It's really unbelievable.
Wow. I think Dennis and Declan are gonna have a great time down here. It's a nice, happy thing that's happened and it's finished. I definitely think Dennis is very happy.
We are right now in Mamaroneck, New York, home of John and Amy and Chase Stellwagen. We're here to surprise them because they epitomize what George Rescue is all about. They have come to the rescue of their nieces, Gabby, Reagan, and Riley, who were orphaned when their mother passed away just a few months ago. John and Amy are rescuing these little girls, but they need help. They have a two-family home, and they live on the first floor. The whole second floor is a whole separate apartment. Why don't you guys go in?
Coming in and to see the girls' reaction and to hear the reaction to each individual aspect of the room, and George and Andrew, it's insane what they did. I could never imagine merging unicorns on a beach together.
They nailed it. Look at my wall!
My favorite part has to be like seeing the girls happy. The expression on each and every one of their faces.
Could not have been more perfect for all of them.
It's unbelievable.
It makes me feel like I'm actually in Paris and that that's my room now. Look at my bedroom!
What do you think?
Look at my unicorn! I love it! It feels like home.
I was diagnosed with ALS September 27, 2012. It was awful. I mean, you couldn't have had worse words escape a doctor's mouth.
Mike and Donna, they just scrambled. The last thing that they have to do is the bathroom. But here's the caveat. They have one bathroom in their house.
It's not old, it's not antiquated, it's just not functional for somebody in a wheelchair. It's too small.
It's pretty dangerous for me to get up and risk falling to brush my teeth, use the facilities. I can now park my wheelchair next to the bathtub and fall in, but I can't get out.
I'm very concerned about the bathroom safety because if she slips, she's gonna get very hurt.
If George can come in and rescue the fear that I feel inside on a daily basis, that would be magnificent.
What's up, Mike, Michaela,
Hey, George.
Donna? How are you guys?
How are you?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Hi, Donna.
Hi.
What do you say we go inside and see what we did?
Let's do it.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right. All right, guys. Welcome home.
Michaela, do you recognize this place?
Oh my goodness, what's that, baby girl?
Wow.
That wasn't part of the plan, George.
When I came through the front door into the house, I just immediately went speechless like I am right now. Look at this.
Michaela, whose house is this? Mike.
This looks like a seashore resort.
The shock and the surprise and utter delight, words can't express. Crazy, excited.
The reason we came here in the first place was because you needed a new bathroom. So what do you say? Shall we head down the hall?
Let's go.
All right.
Oh my goodness! Holy cannoli. Mommy can roll in.
This is our new house.
This is our new house. Everything is new.
I have no words. The comfort of being able to roll up to a sink and wash my hands or rinse my mouth or wash my face.
Do you like it?
Do you understand the depth of gratitude?
Mommy's got, look, Mommy can get right to the sink. You say thank you, Mr. George?
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Give him a big hug.
I can, wow, okay, thanks. Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.